What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. Got a new Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana update for y'all. First things first, I got to give a special shout out to the members and students because we went absolutely crazy last week. We went 3-1 last week, giving us a 75% win rate, catching a total of 65,540 pips, and we're 2-0 so far this week. Been going absolutely insane. And then, of course, to end the month of February, we wrapped that up going 12-0, losing 0 trades last month, giving us a 100% win rate. So, if you're interested, free signal, free Telegram, first in the description. Interested, the signal services, links in the description, all that good stuff. But in this video, like y'all see, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly crypto analysis, but we also post weekly stock analysis, as well as day trading tips. And most importantly, we live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. So again, you're hearing, you've been hearing for a while, oh, crypto's tanking, everything's tanking. I say it all the time. There's a difference between something tanking and something retracing, and this is why it's important to understand how to read the charts. Now, when Bitcoin first broke 72k and first hit 100k, what did I tell you? I told y'all if we cannot hold 100k, 98k as support, we're going to be retracing because we just had a higher high. And if anybody understands basic market structure, what comes after a higher high? A retracement, aka a higher low. So I also told y'all when Bitcoin hit 100k that you're late, but it is not too late. And we can see that coming into fruition right now. So when everybody's freaking out, y'all should be actually diving in. The reason why everybody's freaking out is because nobody really wanted to buy Bitcoin until it wants to move. Nobody wants to buy anything until it's gone up already 20%. Nobody wants to buy anything until it makes all-time highs. But when things retrace, nobody wants to buy anything. People want to sell when things retrace. Makes zero sense. There's a reason why people say buy low, sell high, but they can't really explain why, right? So again, I say all that to say there's a difference between a retracement and price tanking. You're supposed to buy things with on discount. I also told you I pay attention to these price points. So I also said if we fail to hold 88k as support, we can see price heading down to 78k, right? Which is where we see price at right now. And of course, y'all been following me. Y'all know the thumbnails I've been showing y'all price retracing coming to these liquidity points. I've been showing y'all this for the past couple months. Again, I've been putting in y'all's heads to let y'all know and to mentally get prepared for the retracement. Now, as far as where it's at right now, this is a good spot for a 1 DCA position. Again, you don't want to throw all your money in at once. You want to dollar cost average, all right? So if price can hold 78k, 80k as support, we can see price push back up to 88k. Now, it's going to need to hold that as support in order for us to even go back up to 95 or 100k. If we fail to hold 88, not 88k, we fail to hold 78k as support, we can still retrace back down to 72k, 70k. And this is why I've been telling y'all for a while as well, is because as we see here, this was a very strong resistance level and we never retested and confirmed this as a support. We just had volume kick in and we blew through that level. We also, like I showed y'all, just had a big higher high and a gap. So now it's getting filled up. So as long as we hold 72k, we are still extremely bullish, but the higher high started really at 54k, right? So as long as we stay above these levels, we're still extremely bullish. Now let's go ahead and dive into Ethereum. We're in a little bit of a different situation. We talked about these prices as well last week and for the past couple of months, but we see here that we failed to hold 2250 as support, and we're right back at this next level at 1925. Now we're in reversal territory, so if we break past and start treating 1620 as resistance, we can see a short downtrend come into play and possibly see 1420 get hit. But we can respect these levels as support here and push back above 280. We can see price not only have the uptrend come back to play, but we can see the bullish momentum come back into play. But for the bullish momentum to come back into play, it needs to break back above and hold 2980 as support. All right, y'all. So pay attention to these price points right here. Then that brings us into Solana. There's a little bit of a mix between Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? So we are bullish still. We had broke the all-time highs, as we can see, but we failed to hold this level as support, which caused price to retest the level that was being held as support for a very many months recently, right? So we could continue to hold 125, 122 as support. We still got that bullish momentum. We jump to a smaller time frame. That's what we see price doing right now. It's a retest to see if we can hold this level. So we can hold 130 as support. We can see price heading back up to 155, but we're going to need to see 216 held as support in order for us to see that possible new higher high get made and to see those all-time highs get broken. Now, again, we look to the left, we can see here that price has been chilling here, but it never really touched back on this low after it blew through it initially. So it could try to retest as well, $96, or even go as low as $80, $75. So make sure to keep these price points in mind, y'all. All right, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description to a free signal and free Telegram. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, my signal service, my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long and they're sent to you the same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.